To restore your sense of internal balance and emotional grounding, on the right side, take your left hand fingertips and place them on the top of your shoulder on your right number 11. And then you take your right fingertips and place them on your right 25, which is your sit bones. You hold these 2 points as you wait for the sense of the pulses coming in under your fingertips, and then you continue holding as you wait for them to balance and match each other. Beyond that, you continue waiting to feel deeper signs of balance happening as reflected in changes in your breathing. Now, to balance on your left side, you take your right fingertips and place them on the top of your number 11, and then you take your left fingertips and place them on your left 25, like that. And then you go through the whole sequence of steps waiting for the pulses to balance and noticing how balance shows up in your body.